Well done. Great riding. So my light's off now. Let me help you. Don't take it off until we've unscrewed the thing at the back. No, no, no. Leave that on until I've unscrewed this. That was fun, Dad. Thanks.
That was fun, Dad. Thanks.
I really enjoyed that today. Makes a change for Daddy to ride his bike too. Yeah, I enjoyed it. It was fun. And you're so much better. You're so much better controlled on your bike now. Really impressed with how you're riding.
Hi, Mom. Here I am, Mom.
Well, have you got your socks on? Have you got socks on?
Yeah.
Are they safe socks? Can you walk up the stairs in those? Or maybe you take your shoes off, sweetie, to walk up the stairs, because I'm a bit worried about those socks. Oh, well done. Oh. Great ride, I enjoyed that. Oh, good boy. Taking off your smelly socks.
Can I watch a police car video?
Well, I thought you wanted to watch Paw Patrol.
And the police car video.
Well, the police car video, I was thinking for tomorrow morning when I'm having breakfast. Remember we said that this morning? I think probably just one thing now, darling.
He's been wanting to watch Paw Patrol. I don't think he wants to watch a Bananas though.
No, he's been talking about Paw Patrol.
Oh, so much working part-time.